Today I'm going to show you a simple way to etch metal. We have brass, aluminum, and aluminum, a 9-volt battery, salt water, electric tape, Q-tips, and alligator clips. There are several ways you can get your pattern to etch. I'm going to use a vinyl cutter. You can also cut your pattern out in the electrical tape or any other way to block the current. The vinyl cutter just helps me get a nice precise pattern where I want it that I can design on the computer. Attach the vinyl or electrical tape to your piece of metal. Attach your alligator clips to your battery. I have the red on the positive and the black on the negative. I'm going to tape the other side of the positive to my brick just to hold it in place. If there's a smaller metal or something that you can clip it to, that works as well. Just something to complete the circuit. Then we're going to dip the Q-tip in the salt water and attach it to the negative current. As we do so, we'll move it around our pattern and it will start etching. The longer you hold it on there, the deeper the etch will be. This will also work on steel. And there's the pattern. These next two designs are from Shredy Yeti. He does a lot of snowboarding and skiing. I'll put a link to one of his videos in the description below.